Hey there! The internet is full of free information about trading, but you and I both know that most of it is trash. Then where can you find well-structured, useful, truly educational trading guide? That's what I'm about to tell you right now. Like and subscribe and let's go! Tip number 1. Technical analysis is crucial. And it's easy to learn because Alex explains it in his videos. You will find them all in the technical analysis playlist on our channel, together with a playlist with beginning guides and strategies. Personally, I like his videos because they often showcases real-life trading scenarios. And what can be more practical than that? Tip number 2. The right trading mentality is important, because to survive the ups and downs of the market, you need to have realistic expectations and the healthy psychological discipline. So how can you get the right trading mindset? Our channel's trading tips and mistakes to avoid playlist can help you with that. Go check it out and you will find out how to get Zen level patience with spy-like attention to detail. Next one. Olymptrade's Help Center is more than just an FAQ base. Accessible right from the trading screen, it contains many very important and useful tips, some of which you might have never heard of. This all-inclusive knowledge base can really help you more easily navigate the market and the platform. Go check it out. The link to the Help Center is in the description. Moving on to signals. They are necessary to make good trading decisions at the right time. Head to our Telegram channel and use the signals posted over there. They will help you both learn trading faster and spot the most promising price shifts. I'll leave the link to the Telegram channel in the description. Now, about books. I think you will benefit more from reading about your own assets rather than reading general books on trading. So, if you trade stocks, read about specifically the stocks you trade. If you trade currencies, read about specifically your pairs. You will surely find lots of useful information online, but don't try to consume all of it. Stick to the practical side of trading your assets. And finally, trading pros. You might have heard, watched or even met trading gurus. Some of them may quite be successful, but we'll never know the origins of their success, especially if we only see their Lamborghinis. If you really want to have professional advice from someone you personally know, then choose those who've been consistently making gains in trading over years. You'll find many such fellow traders in our community. You know where to find the link to it. Wrapping up, watch this video about trading indicators since you'll be using them a lot. And this one to avoid a common trading mindset trap. And I'll be back with more interesting videos with trading tips. They will help you learn trading faster, easier, and for free.
Olymptrade, care that counts.